Let us start exercise 14.2, a square plus 8a plus 16. One method only I am applying here. If you want to use identities, you can use, but identity I have not used. I have used that method. Q is 16, so we'll break Q, that means 16, in such a way, if we are adding, we are getting 8a, and if we are multiplying, we are getting 16. So 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, a into a square. So first term and last term you will multiply, you can see here, and a middle term, that means 4a plus 4a, 8a you are getting. So a square plus middle term, I have breaked into like this, 4a plus 4a plus 16. From here a is common, so a plus 4. From here 4 is common, so a, and 4 4s are 16. Whole term, from the whole term, that means step, a plus 4 is common, so a plus 4 will be left. A plus 4 into a plus 4, a plus 4 whole square. You can write in this way also, a square plus 4 square plus 2 into a into b. So a plus b whole square you will get. But I have not solved by that method, okay, by using identity. Same way I have used here also. So 25 plus 25p square. So 5p, 5p, 5 5 is 25, p into p square, but middle term should be negative. So when we minus 5p, so when we add two negative terms, so negative sign will be there and addition we will do. So minus 10p. So we will break the middle term in such a way, p square minus 5p minus 5p plus 25. From here p is common, so inside the bracket the left value will be p minus 5. From here negative sign is common and 5, because 25 is divisible by 5. So p as it is plus will become minus, and 5 5s are 25. From these two terms, p minus 5 is common. So p minus 5, left value p minus 5. P minus 5 into p minus 5 whole square. If you will solve in the exam by this method, definitely you will get mark. But by using identity, if you want to solve, I am explaining p square plus 5 square minus 2 into p into 5. So a minus b whole square formula you will get. Okay. Now third I am solving by using identity. You can also solve first and second by using identity. So see here, 25m square plus 30m plus 9. We can write first term in the square form, 5 square, 5 5 is 25, m square and 3 square, and middle term as it is. Now 5m whole square plus 3 square. So middle term we will arrange in this way, 2ab. In place of a, 5m, and place of b, 3. So the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write a plus b whole square. A, that means here a is 5 and b is 3. So 5m plus 3 whole square. Now see here, 7th I am solving. So 4th, 5th, 6th you will solve. L plus m whole square minus 4lm. Formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So L square plus 2lm plus m square minus 4lm. L square and m square, no like term of these, but 2lm minus 4lm. So greater number is this, so negative sign will be there and subtraction will be there. So minus 2lm. L square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, that means L minus m whole square. Okay. Now 8th question, a to the power 4 plus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. So we can write a to the power 4 in the form of a square whole square, b square whole square. So a square plus b square, where a is a square and b is b square, and middle term 2a square b square. So formula we know, that means identity we know that x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to x plus y whole square. Here x is a square and here y is b square. So a square plus b square whole square. Okay. Now sub question first of second question, 4p square minus 9q square. So we can write the 4 in the square form and 3 is also in the square form. So 2 square, p square minus 3 square, q square. We know that the identity. So 2p, both 2 and p both are having square. So 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. We know the identity, x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. So 2p plus 3q, 2p minus 3q. Now see here in the second question, 63. We can't write 63 as a square form, but we can take common 7 from both the numbers, because 63 is divisible by 7 9 times and 112 is divisible by 7 16 times. So we can take common. When you will take practice, easily you will get idea. So 7 and 9 we can write 3 square. I skipped one step. You will write 3 square and 4 square. Then you will write 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. X square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. So 3a plus 4b, 3a minus 4b with 7. Now see here, we can write 49 7 square x square minus 6 square. So 7x whole square minus 6 square. So we can apply the formula of a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now here you can see 16 is common because 144 is divisible by 16. How many times? 9 times, because 16 9s are 144, and x cube also common. So 16x cube. So inside the value will be x square minus 9. So 16x cube, x square minus 3 square. So you can apply the formula a square minus b square. Here first, here I will solve this, and this you can solve 3 square x square y square minus 4 square. So 3xy whole square minus 4 square. So 3xy plus 4 and 3xy minus 4. This also I will give you hint, and this also I will give you hint. So let us start 5th, 7th and 8th. This question you can solve by two methods. L plus m you can assume x and L minus m y. So x square minus y square, that means x plus y and x minus y. But I have not applied that formula. I have expand the formula a plus b whole square. So L square plus 2lm plus m square minus L square minus 2lm plus m square. Here you can see the formula, that means identities. So L square plus 2lm plus m square, and out of the bracket negative sign. So inside the signs of every term will be changed. So minus L square plus 2lm plus here plus. So here in place of plus, negative sign will be there, m square. Now you can see L square minus L square, m square minus m square, 2lm plus 2lm, 4lm. So if you will take here L plus m, you will assume x as a x and L minus m y. So L plus m plus L minus m, and L plus m minus L minus m. So you will solve by that method. But I thought it is easy, so I have solved by this method. Now next is x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. You can see the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square. So directly I have written here x minus y whole square minus z square. So a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So a is x minus y plus z, x minus y minus z. You can see here. Okay. You can see at the question 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Now children, you can see here bc. That means we can change this identity. Okay, we can change this 3 terms in the identity. So what we will do, 25a square we will write as it is minus bracket we will use. So 4 take negative sign common. So 4b square positive will become negative, 28bc plus 49c square. Now 5 square we can write, 5 5s are 25. So 25 we can write in the square form 5 square. A square as it is minus 2 square b square minus 28bc as it is plus 7 square c square, because 7 7s are 49. Now 5a whole square minus 2b whole square plus 7c whole square minus 2, a is 2b and B is 7C. So 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 BC with negative sign we are getting. So we can write this minus 28 BC in the form of this 2 into 2B into 7C. So this is an identity. X square minus 2xy plus y square x minus y whole square. So we can write 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. Now middle sign is negative, individual squares are there, so we can apply this formula. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. X is 5a and y is 2b minus 7c. So 5a plus 2b minus 7c and 5a out of the bracket negative sign 2b minus 7c. When simplify, we will simplify the bracket 5a plus 2b minus 7c, 5a minus 2b plus 7c. So answer will be 5a plus 2b minus 7c, 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Now see children, question number 3rd. You can take common from here x. So inside the bracket the left value will be ax plus b. Done. Then from here you can see 7 and 21. 21 is divisible by 7. So you can take common 7. So inside the value p square plus 3q square. Now from here you can see 2, 2, 2 and x, x, x. So 2x. So the left value will be x square plus y square plus z square. Now from here you can see m square is common. So a plus b, and from here n square. So b plus a, that means a plus b you can write, and from whole step you can take common a plus b. So left value will be m square plus n square. So answer will be a plus b in the bracket and m square plus n square. Now from here you can take common l. So left value will be m plus 1, and here nothing is common, so you can take 1. If nothing is common, then we can take 1. I am writing here L. So here will be m plus 1, and here is nothing is common, so m plus 1. 1 we can take. From whole step we can take common m plus 1. So inside L plus 1 will be the. So answer will be m plus 1, L plus 1. Now from here y plus z you can take common. So y plus 9 will be left. So answer will be y plus z into y plus 9. From here 5y. So y minus 5 4s are 25. 5 minus 4. From here 2 is common with negative sign. Okay. So what you will do, 2yz you will write first. I am explaining here only. They are very easy sums, so I am explaining here only. 5y square minus 20y plus 2yz minus 8z. We can write in this way. From here we can take common 5y. So left value 5 4s are 20, plus from here 2z is common. So left value will be y minus z is common, 2 4s are, and from whole step y minus 4 is common. So left value 5y plus 2z. So answer will be y minus 4 and 5y plus 2z. Okay. From here you can see 10a plus 4a. So what value you can take common here? 2a. So left value will be 2 5s are, and a is common, so b plus 2a, and here same thing, nothing is common, so 1. 5b plus 2, and from whole step 5b plus 2 is common, so left value will be 2a plus 1. So answer will be 5b plus 2 in the bracket 2a plus 1. Ninth sum. Ninth sum, what you will do, from here 2 is and y. So 2y you will take common. I am solving here, okay. So 2 and y common. So left value will be 2 3s are, and y is common, so 3x. And from here minus 2 2s are, 3x minus 2. From here 3 is common, so 3 2s, minus 3 3s. You can see here only 3x, only signs are different. Here 3x is having negative sign and here positive sign. So what we can do, we can take here negative sign common. So next value will be 2y, 3x minus 2 minus 3. So negative term will become positive and positive. From whole step we can take common 3x minus 2. So answer will be 3x minus 2 in the bracket 2y minus 3 will be the answer. So these all are very easy. You can do yourself, and hint I have already given. Now you can see first question of question number 4th. A to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. We can write in the square form. A square square 2 2s are 4. Again we are getting a to the power 4. B square whole square 2 2s are 4. So we can apply this identity. X square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. So here x is a square, b square. So a square plus b square, a square minus b square. Again we can apply this formula here. So a square plus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So answer will be a plus b into a minus b in the bracket a square plus b square. Second sum, you can see p to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4. We can write 81 in the form of 3 to the power 4. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. So p square whole square minus 3 square whole square, and you can apply x square minus y square formula, x plus y and x minus y. So you can solve this sum yourself. Now third, x to the power 4 minus y plus z whole to the power 4. So x square whole square minus y plus z whole square and to the power square. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So we can apply the formula x square minus y square, or if question is given in the x, y, z, I am applying formula in the form of ab. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So in place of a you can see here x square, and in place of b y plus z square. So x square plus y plus z whole square, x square minus y plus z whole square. Now here also again we can apply the formula x plus y plus z, x minus y plus z. So we can see here, and we can simplify the bracket. This x square y square plus z square plus 2yz, a plus b whole square formula. So x square plus y square 2yz plus z square, x plus y plus z, x minus y plus z. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2yz, x plus y plus z. Out of the bracket negative sign, so inside all the terms will be changed. X minus y minus z. So answer will be x plus y plus z, x minus y minus z, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2yz. Children, I am not applying here again and again. I am not writing formula, because you know the identity formula, whatever we can say. So fourth question, x to the power 4 minus x minus z to the power 4. We can write in the square form. Square square, 2 2s are 4, square square. So a square minus b square. So a square is the, x square, and b square x minus z whole square. So x square plus x minus z whole square, and x square minus x minus z whole square. Again we can apply the formula a square minus b square here. So x square, and here a minus b whole square formula we can apply. So a square, that means x square minus 2zx plus z square, and x plus x minus z and x minus z. So we can write here x square plus z square minus 2zx, and when simplify of the bracket x plus x minus z and x minus x, out of the bracket negative sign. So because of this z will take positive sign. So we can write z 2x, x and x, 2x minus z, 2x square plus z square minus 2zx. Now fifth question, you can see a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. We can write in the square form a square whole square plus b square whole square, and middle term minus 2a square b square. So formula identity I am not writing here. We are applying formula x square minus 2xy plus y square x minus y whole square. X is a square and y is b square. So a square minus b square whole square. Again we can apply the formula a plus b, a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square will be the answer. First Question of fifth question, p square plus 6p plus 8. Now we will break 8 in such a part when we multiply 2 4s are 8. So we are getting 8p square with positive sign, and if we add, so 2 and 4 6. So we can take plus 2p plus 4p. That means q, in place of q here 8. We break 8 in such a way that we multiply, so we are getting 8, and if we add, we are getting 6. So p square plus 2p plus 4p plus 8. You can see here. So from here, p is common. Inside the bracket, p plus 2 is left plus 4. Here p and 4 2s are 8. From whole step, p plus 2 is common. So inside the bracket, p plus 4 is the value will be left. So the factorization of this question is p plus 2 into p plus 4. Now you can see here q square minus 10q plus 21. 3 7s are 21. So when we add 3 plus 7, 10 we are getting. But negative sign is there. So both the numbers we are adding. So in both the place we will put negative sign. When we are multiplying negative, negative, positive, 3 7s are 21 square. So we can break 21 such a way that we are adding, we are getting minus 10q, and we are multiplying, so we are getting plus 21q square. So from here you can complete the question. Pair you will make q, from here you can take common q, and from here 7 minus 7. So inside the bracket you will change the sign. Now minus 16 we will break such a way that we are getting, when we are adding or subtracting, we are getting 6p, and multiplying minus 16p square. So you can see here 8 to the 16, and if greater number, if before the greater number we are putting positive sign and here negative, so subtraction will be there, and 6p we are getting. So p square plus 8p minus 2p minus 16, make pair and then take common, and then you can solve. So here 14.2 is completed.